I've got the 70 with me, and I know it's got some special technology in this.
Right, yeah.
What's it called? VFlex, isn't
VFlex, yeah.
Can you tell us something about this VFlex technology, please?
Sure, yeah. VFlex basically is the integration of digital signal components into the detector. You know, we're used to analog components in the detector technology.
Okay.
You know, metal detecting has been around for over a century, but the technology is analog. It always has been, and that's considered older technology now. What Minelab has done is replaced most of the analog circuitry with digital signal processing.
Okay.
So now there's a microprocessor in the control box and a microprocessor in the coil.
In the
and
coil.
They talk to each other.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
You know the difference between analog and digital, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Analog is like turntable, your stereo.
Yeah, yeah.
Digital is compact disc,
Yeah.
DVDs, things
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
So it's a much cleaner signal.
Okay.
So what Minelab has done is replace all the analog components with better and more reliable processing equipment, and also they've tuned what little analog circuitry is left to match as closely as possible what digital circuitry is there.
Okay. Right.
And what that means is the machine is more stable. It's it's less susceptible to changing ground conditions, changing temperatures, things that will mess a detector up.
Right.
So it's a more reliable machine with digital processing in it. So what happens in the process when you turn the machine on, the processor in the control box talks to the processor in the coil, and it says, "Hello, who are you? What are you?"
Yeah.
And the coil says, "Well, I am this size coil, I am this type of coil, and I'm operating at this frequency." The control box says, "Okay, now I will adjust my programming to best use your capabilities."
Okay, so now you can only use the coils that Minelab make with that chip in to communicate with.
Correct, yeah.
So you can't go out, right. No,
Now, elsewhere in the presentation, we'll cover this about different coils.
Okay.
But there are other coils that are available for this machine. This machine has shipped with it a 7.5 kilohertz coil.
Okay.
Which is good for general detecting.
Right.
Any condition you want. But there
Okay.
are other coils, lower frequency and higher frequency, that are special use coils. And we'll cover that.
That's pretty exciting. I can't wait to do
It's
that.
great
'cause that's-
technology.
Yeah, yeah, cool.
Now that was VFlex technology.